Multani Journal Passage number 15. Start the 29th session of the UN General Assembly opening today will once again debate and deal with problems that have been on its hands for many years now, full stop, including among its agenda items are hardy perennials as well as issues of recent origin, full stop. There are for example the questions of Palestine and the Middle East, which are as old as the UN itself, full stop. Namibia is another continuing crisis with apparently no solution in sight, full stop. Falls in the same category, full stop. Among the relatively new ones are Afghanistan, the Iran-Iraq war, the deteriorating economic situation in developing countries and the trouble in Central America, full stop. Those who try to judge the UN performance in terms of immediate results dismiss the General Assembly session and its various resolutions as of little consequence, full stop. This is the cynical, narrow, view of the UN role in the world affairs, full stop. But those with a long historical view better understand the value of the world body and its catalog, catalytic effect in complex international issues and events towards, full stop. The UN may not have succeeded in producing instant solutions to conflicts and wars that keeping breaking out around the globe, full stop, but its usefulness in preventing a bad situation from getting worse and keeping crises under control cannot be doubted, full stop. It provides an opportunity to our rival forces to meet and discuss things over and thus find a common ground, full stop. The fact that in the last 40 years no global conflict has broken out and threatened the future of mankind on earth shows that the UN has been of some help, full stop. One can even say that the UN mankind lost hope in its struggle for survival against the forces of darkness and chaos, full stop. Paragraph. Pakistan will as usual make its contribution to the work of the UN in the various committees and to the solution of problems facing the world in political, social and economic fields, full stop. Pakistan has always been a vocal spokesman in favor of disarmament and in this connection will once again take up its proposal for the establishment of a nuclear weapon free zone in the South Asia, full stop. It will also raise its voice in support of the rights of the Palestinians and the liberation struggle of the black people in South Africa, against whom has hatched a few conspiracy, full stop. But Pakistan's chief interest will be in Afghanistan issues, which will be a major topic of discussion in the issuing session, full stop. It will be the sixth time that the UN General Assembly will debate the vote on the Afghanistan issue, as has been apparent from the voting pattern, with each passing year more and more nations have been supporting Pakistan's stand that the withdrawal of Soviet troops from Afghanistan was the only way to reach the peaceful political settlement of the or resist full stop. This year's General Assembly debate on the issue will be particular relevance because it comes in the wake of the third round of the indirect talking between Pakistan and Afghanistan recently ended in Geneva. Full stop. The representatives of the Kamal regime, as usual, stalled on the question of a timetable for the withdrawal of foreign forces, while Kabul has kept up its mischief at the borders, trying to escalate tensions between two countries. Full stop. The General Assembly will be a good forum to discuss the latest development and the consequences following from them, and to bring about further of world opinion in favor of a speedy solution of the festering Afghanistan crisis on the basis of the universally recognized principles of non-intervention and national self-determination. Full stop.